Hey guys, this is Sivans from sivanshost.com, and in this tutorial I will tell you how to install SSL on your own website. If you purchase hosting from sivanshost.com, then you can get a special feature. We are providing free SSL on your unlimited domain. So in this tutorial I will tell you how to install SSL on your websites. So this is a very simple step, some technical steps, but don't worry for it. I will totally explain you how you can set up your SSL. So you can already know about client area. We are go to client area, and if you open client area you got access section announcements. So we are send a special announcement. We are providing a lots of information like user, how to redirect code of PHP. So this is an important code for you for installing SSL. So copy this code. I already copied. So go to cpanel of your domain, and in this tutorial I will tell you a client domain, how we can set up a SSL. So you can see here is a not a SSL installed. So this is a showing problem of SSL, and if you don't we are remove this S and then click enter. So you can get this blog is running completely without SSL, and this connection is not secure. So we are installing SSL using the simple itself. So follow me, search here, let encrypt SSL. So you find a option on security. We are already include this plugins for you especially. So here you can get a issue button. So click on issue button and tick mark here, and here take to HTTP and click on issue. This is a SSL issue your for website, but your website is not redirect to HTTPS because we are not pasting any code. We are not getting any type of redirection in our website. So how we can set it? I will check you how is SSL work. So this is a SSL not complete secure because I using same browser, so we can switch a incognito mode or private mode. So we can go here and paste it and click on enter. So you can see this connection is secure, but is not redirect to HTTPS. So in this video I will tell you how to redirect it. So you go to announcement section and copy this code and go to file manager. So we are back to home on cpanel, and go to file manager, and here we are doing some settings. Go to settings and show hidden files. Also remember this, if you change any kind of other files in your public HTML and htdoc section, then you face some trouble issues. So don't change other option. Follow these simple steps and open htdocs and click on edit, and then after our click edit. So you can find this kind of things. You find different kind because this is a WordPress installed on my client website. So we are go to announcement section and copy this code, copy it and go to htdoc section and paste in bottom. You also paste in top. I don't know, if you want, I don't know why, but if you want, so go back on incognito mode and let's refresh it. So you can see a magic. Here is already redirect to HTTPS. So this is a complete setup how to install SSL on sivanshost.com. So this is a special videos for sivanshost.com user. I hope you are enjoy the free SSL. We are providing also free SSL. So meet in next video. Goodbye, take care, keep watching technical trick.